Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to check and remove unknown devices from your Gmail, right from your iPhone or Android. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Tap your profile icon at the top. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, sign in. Select the one you want to sign out everywhere. I know this is the account I have used across my other device, so I will go with this one. Now tap manage your Google account. Swipe through the tabs at the top and head to the security tab. Scroll down until you find the your device section, then tap manage all device. This page shows every device and session where your Gmail account is currently or was recently signed in. In my case, I have got 6 sessions on iPhone, 2 on iPad, and 6 on Android. There are also 6 sessions on Windows computer. This one's already signed out, but that's fine. We'll go through the rest. Here's the key thing to know. To sign out everywhere, you will need to open each session one by one. Let's start with the first. The first time you open a session, Google might ask you to verify your identity with your account password. Just enter it and tap next. Once you are in, you will see details like this. This session is on iOS device. Sign in through pattern. Tap sign out and that device is disconnected. Go back and open the second session. This one Safari browser or in the same iPhone. Tap sign out. Then open the third session, sign into Yahoo through Safari, tap sign out. The next one is Google Chrome, so sign out that to one too. Just repeat this process for every session across your iPhone, iPad, Android phone, and Windows computer. Open each and one and tap sign out. That's really there is to it. Once you are done, your Gmail account will be fully signed out everywhere, including Chrome on your Windows computer. And that's how you sign out Gmail on all devices straight from your iPhone. If you'd like more tips like this on iPhones and Gmail, check out our playlist. I think you will find it useful too.